In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Hostinger Hosting 2026. Purchase hosting from Hostinger. We'll walk through buying hosting and a domain on Hostinger from start to finish so you can get online quickly and confidently. Start by opening hostinger.com. If you're using a promotional link, you may see a discount applied automatically at checkout. On the homepage, scroll down to view the hosting plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. All of these include a free domain, which is great value if you're starting fresh. For most people, the business plan is the sweet spot. It's popular for a reason and is well suited for long-term use, giving you room to grow without needing to upgrade right away. When you choose your plan, select the 48-month option to secure the lowest monthly cost compared to 12 or 24 months. It's billed up front, but it locks in a better rate for the long haul. Once you've picked the term, click Continue. Now create your account by entering your email address and setting a strong password. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, click Register. Next, you'll see the billing details form. Fill in your first and last name, country or region, phone number, full street address, city, state or province, and zip or postal code. Make sure this information matches the billing address for your payment method to avoid any verification issues. Double check for typos before continuing. Click Continue and choose your preferred payment method. You can pay with a card, PayPal, or Google Pay. If you're using a card, enter the card holder name, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. Before submitting, confirm that you're on the secure Hostinger checkout page by looking for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar. Click Submit Payment. You may be prompted to enter a one-time passcode sent to your phone for added security. Enter that code promptly. These codes usually expire after a short time. Avoid refreshing the page while the payment is processing. Once your payment is confirmed, you should be logged into your new Hostinger account automatically. If not, just head back to the Hostinger homepage and log in manually using the email and password you created earlier. That's it. You've successfully purchased hosting, and your plan includes a free domain you can claim during setup. Follow the on-screen guidance to proceed with configuration when you're ready, and enjoy building your website with confidence.